Hello guys, what's up? This is Azim and today we're gonna be unbox and install this Night Eye LED headlamp into a bike. It's a full white LED headlamp you can get from Amazon around 5500 rupees. Links for that will be in the description below, so do check that out. And let's not further ado and start the unboxing. So the box is simple and not much with detailed specification of the lamp on the box. It just says some general specification about the lamp, and it also says it's H4 compatible, so you can use it in a bike or in Activa as well. We're gonna install it in the phases, so we order the set of 2 for each headlamp. The box itself doesn't give any sort of detailed specification of the lamp, so let's start with the unboxing of the lamps. Opening the box, you will see a paper which says some safety regulation about the lamp you should take care while installing them. Then we have a guide which will help you for the installation and on which you will see the detailed specification of the lamps. After that we have our LEDs. As I told you, we're gonna install it in phases, so we order the set of 2 and the build quality seems to be promising. The cover and heatsink is totally made up of aluminium and they feel pretty high quality, and LED itself seems tiny, but we don't have single LED here. We have 3 tiny LEDs in each unit, which will give you the maximum coverage of the road at night time. We also have a fan at backside of the unit so that heat should not bother the component inside the unit. The cable of the unit is also heavy duty and the 3-pin connector is also pretty nice and heavy. So overall a great product for the price what you are getting, and you should definitely check it if you are looking for a LED for your bike or car. If you want to check by your own whether the LED is working or not, you can do it if you have a 12-volt battery. Just connect the LED through the wire and check whether it's working or not. As we check first, the power of the LED seems pretty bright and both the LED of our box works absolutely fine. You can also see the fan spin and noise made by these fans are very minimal. We also check them in complete darkness and find that they are doing their job very well. The heat is also minimal from this unit. So my friend Himan Parik and me is going to install this LED on his bike. He is an electrical engineer and has a great experience working with electrical equipment. Once you reach the LED compartment, unlatch the pins carefully. Don't put too much pressure on the latch. Gently push it and it will pop out. Take out your old LED or halogen lamp from its compartment. Take care and don't press too hard or you may break the lamp. Once you took that, see the difference between a traditional lamp and in our new LED lamp. Place the new lamp in its position. Here also do it gently and slowly if you are doing it by your own. Once you're done with its position, use the latch to fix it in its position. It is tricky part, so have patience and do it properly and slowly. Once you fix it in place, you can check, make sure everything is good and working fine. Do the connection properly. Be double sure before connecting it to the lamp or you may harm the fuse of the bike. Don't use these waterproof caps as whole LED unit is fully waterproof, so don't worry if the cap won't fit in its place again. Here is a sample of old halogen lamp. Currently only the dipper is on and you can see it's not covering the area properly and the light is also not so bright. Even turning the upper doesn't make big difference, which is really a problem if you are driving the bike on highways. Here is a sample of new LED lights and you can tell the difference instantly as you'll turn it on. The focal area of the light is really wide, which will provide you a greater visibility on the road. And if that not enough, you can use the upper also to get the maximum out of the LEDs. We also tested it on outdoors on a busy road and you can see the LEDs are covering the large portion of area on the road. And the visibility of the road is too good and clear even in this totally blackout area. So cruising on highway will not be a problem using these LEDs. So thanks for watching the video guys. I hope you liked it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. My name is Azim and I'm signing out.